The history of labor law in the United States is a long and complex one, filled with successes and failures. From the earliest days of the nation, the labor movement has been active in the fight for workers' rights, and has played a vital role in the promotion of economic and social progress. The earliest labor laws were created in the 19th century, when the legality of unions and collective bargaining were first debated. The landmark case of Commonwealth v. Hunt in 1842 established the legality of unions, and later legislation such as the Fair Labor Standards Act, FLSA, of 1938 and the Occupational Safety and Health Act, OSHA, of 1970 helped to further protect workers' rights. The FLSA established a minimum wage, overtime pay, and a maximum number of hours for workers to work in a given week. It also sought to protect minors from hazardous work and any work during school hours. The OSHA was created to ensure the safety and health of workers in the United States. It created a variety of standards and regulations and provided safety training and education to employers and employees. The enforcement of safety standards has been instrumental in preventing workplace injuries and fatalities. In addition to these landmark labor laws, there have been numerous other laws and regulations created to help protect the rights of workers. The Railway Labor Act of 1926 gave railroad workers the right to organize, bargain collectively, and strike. The Norris-LaGuardia Act of 1932 prohibited employers from requiring workers to sign contracts that waived their right to join a union, and it also prohibited the use of injunctions against labor strikes. The National Labor Relations Act of 1935, commonly known as the Wagner Act, gave workers the right to form unions and to bargain collectively. The Taft-Hartley Act of 1947 amended the Wagner Act to allow states to pass laws that prohibit unions from requiring all members to pay dues, and it also prohibited certain union activities. In addition to these federal laws, many states have also passed legislation to protect the rights of workers. While some states have simply adopted the federal laws, other states have gone further and enacted additional protections. For example, some states have passed laws that outlaw discrimination based on race, sex, age, and other factors. In addition, some states have passed laws that set the minimum wage higher than the federal minimum wage, and some states have enacted laws that provide additional protections for pregnant workers. The history of labor law in the United States has not been without controversy. The labor movement has had to contend with numerous legal challenges, including those from employers who have sought to undermine the rights of workers. Moreover, the labor movement has had to contend with numerous political challenges, such as the effort to pass right-to-work laws that make it illegal for unions to require all members to pay dues. Despite these challenges, however, the labor movement has remained resilient, and its strength has been instrumental in creating a more equitable and prosperous society. The evolution of labor law in the United States has been a long and complex process, but one that has helped shape the nation into a more equitable and prosperous society. Through the efforts of unions and labor organizations, workers have been able to make their voices heard and to advocate for their rights. The labor movement has had a profound impact on American society, and its legacy continues to be felt today. Through the continued efforts of unions and labor organizations, the labor movement will continue to fight for the rights of workers and help to create a more equitable and prosperous future for all. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, so you can stay tuned for more videos and be the first to know when we have something new. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content. Thanks again.